Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? So how are you, students? Boys not saying anything. Girls are saying fine. Boys not fine. Huh? Thinking about your future, right? Whether you will become Atal Bihari Vajpayee or something like that you are thinking. Are you thinking like that? Few great people they are, you will become Prime Minister also. I think you understood. Read well, you will do good. Okay? If you don't read well, you will become like some name I said. Okay. Any of students? Yes, I am also fine. If you read the notes. Reading notes, practicing. Okay, good. So now I will move to today, the another important concept, group by concept I am going to introduce. Group by concept, which is most important. Group by. Easy. Find us group by concept. Group by function. Syntax is very simple. Let me write the syntax. Then immediately I'll go for the coding. Data frame object dot group by I'll write the column name. Column name where it contains a group of values. For example, you take IT department, marketing department, production department, finance department. In 4 departments, number of employees are working, correct? Under IT department, 10 employees are there. Under finance department, 15 employees are there. Under marketing, there are 15 employees are there. Under production, there are 25 employees are there. So, what are that IT, finance, marketing, production, etc. are called? Group by column names. Group by. So, under one name, multiple values are there that are eligible to group it. Correct or not? Suppose employee number, employee name, salary, if you take it, under employee number, nothing is there to group it because they are going to be unique value. On unique value, we cannot apply what? Group by. On which values you can apply group by? Any column contains group of repeated values. That we can go for what? Group by. Take one more example. Your college, you take it. Your college will contain branches or not? Civil students, CSC students, EC students, CSC students. These are all called what? Groups. Under a group, multiple students are available. So what is the possibility of grouping? Branch. Group by branch name. Is it possible to be grouped by student number? You can group it, but you will get normal only. One by one only you will get it. So which is better to group it? Any column contains repeated values, then you are eligible to group it. Then there is a more meaning is there. Understand? If you take population of India, in population of India, there are males, females, and then transgenders. So what is the possibility of grouping? Gender. Are you following me? Next. Suppose in the population of India, skillful employees, unskilled employees, skilled, unskilled. Under skilled one group, under unskilled one group. That is comes under what? Grouping. Are you following? So did you understand the meaning of grouping? Suppose you are working in company. Java experts, Python experts. Next is called testing tools experts. Next is C experts, C++ experts. How many groups are there? 5 groups are there. Under C expertism who are working. Under Python who are working. Under Java who are working. That is called what? Expertism is called what? Group by. Are you able to follow? So I hope you got it. Suppose in Hyderabad, lakhs of students are there who are studying in different colleges. I want to print the name of the students in a college wise. College wise, I want to go for it. I have lakhs of students data with what? College name basis. So I will group that students now. How I will group it based on college name, group by college name. Data frame contains all the colleges data. I will group by using what name? College name. So college name is what? Group by column name. Understand? Last and final. Suppose Election Commission of India is having a big voter list of all the states. Now, they are conducting 5 state elections, for example. What they will do? Group by state, group by state, group by Andhra Pradesh, group by Telangana, group by Arunachal Pradesh, group by Sikkim, group by something. They will write. Are they getting group by under that citizen names will come or not? So state names are called what? Group name, group by column name. Did you understand? Now, this one returns an object. What is that object? Suppose if I write a variable name here, this variable name is of type. It is our good style to know every day. Group variable name is an object, guys. Is an object of type class, comma, data frame group by group by class, data frame group by class, data frame only, but it is what class? Group by class. That's all. I will print that group names. What are the functions you can apply on that? On group by class, we can apply what functions? First function. Come on, what function? First function. Opposite to first. Come on. మీకు తెలుసు. Come on. Last. And next. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, middle, etc. First. In that group, first will come. Last means what? Last record in that group will come. Next, middle means middle will come. Middle above, middle last, middle above two, middle last, like that. Okay, you are unable to decide. No problem, because you are not in the context of KVR and you are not KVR also. Nth of. Nth of. What is that n? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Remembering functions also habit. Yes, I have to remember today 20 functions. Daily 20 functions you remember. Monthly 20 into 30, 600 functions. 1 year, 720 functions. 22 years you are. 20 years you leave it. 2 years, 1440 functions. You are topu. You are expert. No student will remember. Student will remember maximum 6, 7 functions. SAR also will not remember 20 functions. You remember 1440 functions. You are topu. Okay, right. Come to the point of it. Hindi students, maybe I don't know whether it is Hindi word or Telugu word, I don't know. I heard somewhere I am using it. Okay, come to the point of. After that, what? Sum. Next is called what? Mean. Next is called what? Count. Next is called what? STD. Next is called what? Median. Median. Like that. There are so many number of things are there. These are all the functions you can apply on what? A variable name of that group by object. You can apply these many. Are you able to follow, guys? Etc. So let us start understanding about group by function now. Girls, don't come late, ma. Boys, you see, they are very sincere. They came on time. Right, sit down. So 2 girls came late. No boy will come late because they realized what is the life. They closed their eyes and they checked once in the night time. What happens if I don't read well? That's why they are coming on time to the class. Nice, guys. Boys, good. Girls also good. You are sincere. I don't tell to you. Come on to the point back. Go to the Jupyter notebook. Go to the Jupyter notebook. Let's start. What is the function name? Group by of column name. Spell out. Group by of column name. What is the syntax completely? Variable name is equal to data frame object dot group by of column name. Which column name? Group by column name. Whichever values are having eligible to group it, that are going to be group by things I can apply. So let's start with, so here it's ready. Now I'll go to the name kernel here. Now I'm going to start with. Now examples on which function? Group by. Examples on group by. So let's start with, here I'm going to write it. Coming to this. So done. Import pandas as PD. Now get the data frame. One data frame object you get it. So students, I will go to this place. One data frame I will take in my class today. Go to this place, pandas exclusive. And I hope that examples, NumPy, yes. This is pandas exclusive under the data frame. And I took it some people's data. People's data. Did you remember this people's data? So these people's data you see. What are the eligible columns for people's? State is one thing, good. And one more is designation. I want to print the name of the people who are, I want to print all the names of the people who are living in TS. We can do normally also. We can do easy way by using what? Group by. So TS is one group. TS is one group. AP is another group. AP is another group. Like that group by. I can go for group by what? Designation also. Such a type of data column, such type of data set I want. So people's dot what? CSV. Go to the place. Here I am writing. So here df is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV slash people's dot what? CSV. People's dot CSV. You know, you can write this slashes. You can write it. Okay. Print of what now? DF. Print of DF. This is my data. Now I'm going to apply what? Data frame. Data frame I'm going to apply. Look into that. Here I'm applying. Get the people's data. Get the people's data with state wise. With what? State wise. State wise people's data I want. State wise. So I need to group them. How do I do that? Group by GBY is equal to DF dot. Already చెప్పాను కదా. Group by of what? Come on. State. So go for the state. There is no meaning of applying CID. There is no meaning of applying name. There is a meaning of applying on the state wise. Print type of GBY is equal to type of what? GBY. As I said you, data frame group by class. It is a class part of pandas. If I print the content of that, no content will be coming. No content will come. Content of GBY is equal to what? GBY. It will not give you the content. Only memory address will give. Like what? Generator kind of concept. Like iterator kind of concept, only memory address will come. Now I want to get the data. Do you know, students, how this group by is organizing? Now I am going to get it. This data, get the people's data with a state wise. Now students, the moment when you go for that, I'll try a small picture here. Try to understand. This is called what? GBY object. This is called GBY object. Students, carefully follow. In the GBY object, it is going to make the grouping. How many groups are there in my people's data? 3. One is called TS. It is called what name? Group name. Tell me, ma. Group name. Under this group name, there are what are there? First record, second record, third record. So many records are there, right or not? Next after that, what is there? AP. AP is a group name. AP is a group name. Under the AP group name, you have first record, second record, third record, number of records are available. Number of records are available. Next after that, what is there? Bangalore. Bangalore is a group name. Bangalore is a group name. Here it is a group name. Under the Bangalore group, we are having number of records. Number of records are available. These are the number of records. Now I want to get it. How many things I have to get it? Number one, this is called, you take it as one index. Number two, this is one more index. It's like this. When I am going to get it, in the loop I will use, one loop I will use. For I am going to use it, two variables I will use it. One is to get what name? Group name, GN, comma what? GN info. GN info. GN info. What is the GN info? Records. Records. In where? GBY. GBY. Are you following? What will come in GN? Group name, TS. What is GN info? GN info contains all records. Print, group name, state name, and the peoples living in the state are going to be what? This GN info. All the records will be printed at a time. Are you able to follow? Next, go to this data is coming. Next, go to the loop. Which data will come? AP people. Next, which people will come? Like that, group by values will be obtained. Did you understand this diagrammatic format? Online students, please respond. Is it clear? Now I am going to get it. Now I am going to get it. Dear students, follow me carefully. Now I am writing for G name, group name, comma what? G info, GN info, group name info, G name, GN info. In where? GBY, GBY. You say what? I will take what you know, state name, state name, state name. I will write state name. What is the state name, students? I will write what here? Dot format of what? G name. G name. I will write G name. Next after that, I will write it under that backslash T, backslash T. I'll write it. Dot format of what? GN info. GN info. These are all called what? Groups. People's. So people's data. So this is called what? People's data in that state. Are you following that? Yes. Come to the point back. Here I'm just writing. After this, let us run this. Come on. What is the state name? AP. Alphabetical order. What is the data coming? CID. Next CID. Name. Everything is coming. This is written here what? Backslash T na? That's why it is moved like that. Understand? Next state is called what? Bangalore. Bangalore data. State is TS. Next is what? Like this. If you follow me, I'll get it. I'll get it. You don't say that backslash T. You don't say that backslash T. Try to run it. So perfectly under AP people, AP data. Under Bangalore people, Bangalore data. Under TS people, TS data. Getting students? Instead of that, you can directly write it also. What is the way to write it? Say students or R. Now I am writing. Here I will write it group by. Instead of writing this entire thing like this, what I will do in GBY, I will write it directly like this. In GBY, I will directly write like this. Are you able to follow? In GBY, directly I will write it. Group name and group info of a df dot group by of what? State. Group by is preparing and getting the data here. So are you getting AP people's data and Bangalore people's data and then TS people's data? Is it quite a useful concept or not? Yes. Now, when you go to the supermarket, you can understand who is supplying, which company is supplying what products. Company name based products, I want to list it. Are you following? So, like that, I am able to get it. After getting the data, either you can write it directly like this, or you can get it something like this also. Now, students, I will carry this process as usual. Now I want to find out. This is called what? Getting the group by information, and you are perfect. In this case, we are perfect. Now, in this group, obtain the first records. Obtain the first records. Obtain the first records. So what is this now? How do I apply the first records? GBY dot first. GBY dot first. Obtain first records of each group. First record of what group? Each group. First record of each group. So here I am writing each group. GBY dot first. Now I'm going to print it. What is happening? State, CID, name, DSC. Under AP. Who is under AP? First person, Manjula. Under Bangalore, who is that? Lakshmi Devi. Under TS, Vaishnavi. So all the people are getting. Are you getting it? Next I want to get it. Next I want to get it. Which record? Last record. Online students. Obtain the last record of each group. I will take what? Last. Last group of each group. Monica under AP. And Radha under Bangalore. Madhavi under last. So this is the data like this. Are you able to follow? Next. Get what? Get what? Third record. Third record. Third record of what? Each group. I will write what? Nth of what? 3. 3. Be careful. 3. See that. Go to the place. Here you see 3. What is the data coming? What is this data? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. This one. Are you following me? Next. 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. Next. 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. I think you are following this. This is nth. Are you getting? Fine. This is about what are the functions you know now? First of, last of, nth of. Do you understand? Very good. Now count of each group. Count of what? Each group. Count of each group. So GBY dot. What is this now? Count of. GBY dot count of. State AP. How many CIDs will contain this thing? Name DSC AP. Next, like this, are you getting or not? Yes. Now you can say, I'm just writing here. Now I'm going to get it. Here I'm going to get it. GBY dot. Just I'm applying one small function. Whether it will work or not, that you leave it. Get underscore group. Get underscore group of. Already we got the data. Group wise I got it. Get underscore GBY dot get underscore group of AP. So we are going to get which group? AP group. AP group. Next, whichever group you want, I can get that. And get AP group. Get AP group exclusively. Get AP group exclusively. Get AP group exclusively. Now I am going to apply count AP group strength. Count. Get count of what? AP group. Dot what I will write it? Count of. How many AP group? CID, name, etc. We are getting it. Are you following that? So if you apply what? N unique, you are going to get it what? One group only, and don't think that 7. I expected you are going to get 7. AP group is 1 only, and don't think that values. So I will just say what? Size of. So size of no. It is called what? Size. How many? 4. What that 4 indicates? What that 4 indicates? So columns. So I will apply count. Count will give you what? This entire things. Are you following me? So You apply what? Unique. Unique you apply. So it is going to give you what? 7 values are available here. This will give you what? Number of records which are present in that. Are you following me? So my requirement is called what? Like this, I want to get it. Are you able to follow? So I hope students maybe you are getting it. Now I want to get it what? Names. I want to get it names. I'm getting the names. These are the people who are living in where? AP. Find the name of the people who are living in AP. There are so many ways are there. Any question comes in the analysis part, you can easily answer it based on my explanation which I gave you. Are you following, ma? So here I just said, so here I wrote it, name I wrote it, dot what I can say, count off, dot count off, you are going to get it. So count off, count off, how many? 7 people are there. These are all in AP. How many people are living? Names plus I am applying what? Count. Like that, one can go on applying something like this. Dot what I am going to say? Count off. So this is the data what I got it. Able to get it? Next, like this, I am showing one small concept. One small concept. Whatever is explained, same thing is there. Let me go to the group by concept. One small concept I am having. I will just try to show group by concept somewhere else. Somewhere else I just have it. Pandas exclusive under group by. Let us watch more. Please read out carefully. Now here I am going to take up. Come on, start all of you. Read the notes. The group by mechanism in Pandas provides a way to break the data frame into different groups or chunks. Chunks means what? Clusters, groups, chunks based on the value of single or multiple columns. Right. Let us understand some example. Let us assume we have a data frame. What is the data frame? ID, name, age, city, experience. On ID basis, I cannot do group by. On name basis, I cannot go for group by. On age basis, okay, I want to group by. Because some people want to think a person who is having 70 years, how their thinking habits. A person who is in between 45 to 50, how their thinking power. A person who is there in 20, 25 years, how their thinking power. Like that, if you want to go for age-wise grouping, you can go for group by age. And next is called a city, Sydney. Somebody is living in Sydney. Sydney here. You can find out the number of people who are living in Sydney. And a number of people who are living in Delhi. Number of people who are living in Mumbai. So Mumbai based group, Sydney based group, Delhi based group. Are you able to understand? And their experiences in their field is written like this. Come on here, guys. This data frame has a column city, which has 3 unique values like Delhi, Mumbai, Sydney. We want to create different groups out of this data frame based on the column city values. Good. As this column has 3 unique values, so there will be 3 different groups. Group 1 will contain rows for the city as a value Delhi. This is called which group? Delhi group. This is called next. Group 2 will contain the row whose column city is a Mumbai. Is a Mumbai group. Next is called what? Group 3 will contain all the rows which has Sydney group. This is. Now, how can you do this into different partitions? I just now applied. AP people, Bangalore people, Mumbai people. SE group, TL group, project manager group, testing group, etc. Also you can prepare. Now, starting the logic. What is the function name? Group by. Group by method. Right? Start. What is this now? Data frames group by method accept the column names as arguments. Based on the values, it creates several groups and returns a data frame group by object that contains information about these steps. Let us go for that. Now create a group. df.group by of city. Now I am going to print the group by, which will print the output in the form of memory address. I wrote the diagram now. group name or group info like that. It will not print the data what you expected. Now come on ma, the group by function created three groups because columns it has three unique values. It returned by data frame object information regarding all the three groups. Iterate over all the data frame group. Iterating means what? Looping. Iterative statements in the beginning days, looping. Come on now. Data frames group by function returns a group by object which contains the information of all the groups. The data frame group by is an iterable object. It means using a for loop, we can iterate over all the created groups. How the groups are containing group name, group info, group name, group info, like a key comma value pairs like. Iterate over all the group. GRP name, group name, and rows in that group in where df dot group by city. I will print the group name, I will print the group content. See, group name is called Delhi, group content ID, name, etc. Now I got these things. Group name is called Mumbai. Mumbai content is here. Next group name is called what? Sydney. This is the one. Next, that is done. You have done AP group, Bangalore group, TS group. Done or not? With directly you can write it with a GBY you taken it, you have done it. Are you following guys? Next, get first row of each group, Get the first row of each group. Come on first. Data frames group by function returns a data frame group by object which contains the information of all groups. The data frame group by object also provides a function first. It returns a data frame containing first row of each group. So I will use which function? First. So first function I will apply. Okay. Next what? Get nth row of each group. What is the function name? Nth of. Data frame group by object also provides function nth. You used to get the corresponding value of nth row for each group. To get the first value of the group, pass 0 as an argument to the nth function. 0 means what? First record. Like that. You know already. Come on. Df dot group of city of first record. First record printing. See that city, Delhi, first one, Mumbai, first one, Sydney, next one. There are three unique values in the city. Therefore, three groups were created. First function fetched the first row of each group and returned the data frame populated with that. The returned data frame has a row for each of the city and has the first row of each of the city groups. Get the count. Number of what? Data frame groups. What is that? And I hope last I did not write. Last I will write. So I will get it. I will add this place. Same wording I will give you. Here also I will add get a last row. Last row of each group. Same to same. Returns same thing. Which will give you the data group also provides a function last. That it returns data frame containing last row of what? Each group. So get the nth row of each group. That is done. Are you following guys? Right. Next I'm going to say AGG function I already said to you. Where? In series. AGG of mean, STD, all those things I said. Like that here also. What is the function name is available? Count the number of data frame groups. So the data frame group object also provides a function called what? Size of. It returns the count of rows in each of these groups created by the group by function. For example, city wise group, Delhi based 4, Mumbai based 3, Sydney based 3, AP people, TS people, Bangalore people, already written or not? Yes, in our case, it is written already. Here I mentioned it. Here I mentioned it somewhere. So I hope I written it. It is written below now. So here I wrote it. First, last, nth, count, I wrote it. Next also what? GBY, I will directly write. This is the one I wrote it. Here I am writing. Here I am writing city. Correct? City nana? GBY dot. GBY dot. Get group. Okay. That group wise is coming. I am writing df dot. Data df dot. What is the function name? Group by of what here? City dot what? Size. State, huh? Okay. State. I will write it. AP state contains state. AP state contains 7. Bangalore state contains 5. And then TS state contains what? Like this. Are able to follow? Like that, one can get this type of size information also. So get the number of people. Get the number of people living in where? Each city, each state. Yes, each state. How to find out? Size like this. Are able to follow? Now I'll try to write it here. Each group. Now I'm writing dot what? Get underscore what? Group of what? AP. Get underscore group of AP. Dot what? Size. So size, I can say in place of that. What is that now? Count. Count of. It is going to give you the count of. I'll say like that. I'm going to get it. In AP, all of them are containing CID, and this count will give you all non-values or not. This is the one we are going to get it. So here, state-wise information we got it. And here, the state-wise information, in that how many CIDs, how many names and etc. we are getting it. Are you able to follow? Yes. So students, now if you want to get it, you can say here, what is that now I'm getting now? Name. You can get it. So what is that you are getting? If you want to find the number of people, happily you can apply like this. So I hope it is done. What is this now? 7. Anyhow, you can get the answer. For that, you need to have complete knowledge in the brain. Easy now? That's all. So coming to the point back, next I'm going to say, what is the next function? AGG function. I already said AGG. AGG stands for aggregation. I want to see. Start. Data frames group by function returns data frame group by object, which contains the information about all the groups. The data frame group by object also provides a function AGG and returns aggregated values. Let's get the mean of all values in the column H. 1 minute, ma. Mean of age means what? If you take an average Indian, age is how much? If you take it, some Japanese in one place, they are living minimum 100 years, 110, 120 years like that. And they don't eat whatever you are eating, sting, thumbs up, that, this, etc. They won't put it in the bin. They will put only the useful content, which is improving your brain. They won't put whatever we like it. So 6 o'clock eating something, 7 o'clock something which is a irreversible part, they won't keep everything like that. Instead of drinking coconut water, you will drink the sting, thumbs up, that, this. These are all fertilizers are there inside. Fertilizers are for what? Some different. And you are keeping that pesticides inside of your stomach. Let it be. These are all story why on this. Age is called what? An average Indian age, an average Japanese age, an average American age. I want to find out the average age of a particular country. Country is called what? Group by. On the group by, I will apply what? Mean. How to find the average of it? Mean. And sum of the values of the column experience. Sum of the column of experience. And each group created by what? Group by city. How do you find out? Here I written one good statement. Mean age of column values, each group. And sum of the experiences of column values in each group. Come on, first values. df dot group by of city. First, what are you basis? City base. Now after that, what are you applying? AGC. On what? City. What are you looking for? Age. Next, mean. And for age, what you are finding? Mean. How I am providing this? In the form of dictionary. Next, what are you doing? Experience. What is this now? Sum. Like that you are finding. Next, after that, get the size, sum, and mean of each what? Numerical column of each group. Now, what are you doing now? Age. What is that? Age is of. On this age. See how I am writing. In the city, what are you taking? On that, what are you applying? Aggregation. What are you finding? Size. Next, sum. Next, what? Mean. Like this, I want to find out. Are you able to follow? Now, this I just want to take into consideration now. So this part I want to implement. This example also, this was asked once in one of the company as a test case. That I was taken as an example to explain what? Group by concept explanation purpose I took it. How you can implement this generally, I am asking. First of all, how many ways you can represent in the data frame? Number one is called what? CSV file. Number two is called what? List in list. List in list. This you can represent in the form of list in list. You can also represent in the form of what? Dictionary in list also you can say. Dictionary I can represent inside of where? List. These many ways you can represent. So you tell me which way you want. I will just do the second example. Already you know CSV file, right? Do you know? You don't know? Or three you don't know? First one you know anyhow. I will take what? ID, comma, name, comma, age, comma, city, comma, experience. Other things also, list in list also, you know, everything you know. So dict in list also you might be knowing. I hope so. I don't know your talent, but I feel that it is, you know that. So I'm going to take up, here I'm going to take up something like this. I'm going to start with. Are you able to follow? How do you, what do you want? List in list you want. Okay. So dict in list you want. Or you don't want anything? List in list. Look at 1 minute you observe it. This data I will take it. First of all, you try to follow. Here I am writing. Mohan Priya saying CSV is better. Okay. Because CSV is better because you have seen many things. CSV is very simple. You can go for what? Typing it as what? ID, comma, name, comma, etc. You know. That these things also you know. Now I am talking about list in list. List in list, I'm just trying to write for your clarity purpose. How do you write it? LST is equal to. Now I will write one list. What are the list values here? These values I will take it. These values I am taking. Here I am taking. Here I am taking jock. I need to write a jock here. And I need to write what here, you know, 44. 44. Next I am writing like this. Sydney and comma. Obviously you need to give comma. So here I need to write. So carefully try to follow me. Actually I can give you, you do it. But I'm just saying, you will take it. The second one you will take it. The second one you will take it. Comma you will write it. There also I'm writing what? Another list I'm writing. Another list I'm writing. Because they will give you this type of case studies only. Let us consider the following data. Convert this into data frame, they will say. And you have to simply go for what? Many ways you can implement. One, you can go to CSV file. One, you can go to list in list. One, you can go to dict in list. Dict in list, if I go for what is an advantage, automatically keys will become column names. If I go for list in list, what is happening? I have to give the index names. Maybe you are following that. So fast I will do it. Try to follow me. Try to follow me. I don't take all of them, but some of them I will take it. So here I am taking Delhi. Here I am taking 17. This is called what? One list. This is one more list. I am having how many lists here? Two lists are there. All these list I need to keep it into one more list. That is called what? Outer list. Outer list. This is called what? Inner list now. So like that, I need to take this entire thing. Like that, I need to take this entire thing. I will go on doing this entire hard coding work. So I'm going to write it, this entire thing like this. I'm just trying to write. This is already I said in my beginning days of converting what? Creating number of approaches to create an object of data frame. Did you remember that? Yes. This is actually for everything. I go on doing the same thing. Are you following me? Like that, I will do like this also. Last part also I can do it. So I will take up this data and it is here. I'm going to write it like this. I'm taking Sydney also I need to take up. So I need to take like this. 40 is numeric data. I should not do it. So here I'm going to do it. So I will write like this. So I'm having like this. So this is called what? 20, 20 comma. Yes, 20 comma. Like this I need to do, students. Are you following me? So by doing all these things, what is prepared? List of list will be prepared or not? Like that, comma, I will write it for that and I will go on doing this entire thing. I hope you are getting it. Now, if any such code is there in my system in my previous class when I taught, I just want to search in that because I want to show you that part once because it was a written test question in the place. So here I will try to look at that. If any such things are there, I will try to show you. So in that part, I will try to bring it. You just hold on, students. So go to that place. In that place, if any such group by concept is available, just hold on. So I'll go to the place, pandas here. Under that, it is, this place. No, I did not write that entire thing. Maybe at that time, I maybe be given that homework to the students. So group by, maybe it is present in this. You try to open it. Here I'm having CSV file, it was taken it. So that is now here it is available. Of course, it is going to contain what? Same meaning only. What is happening here? That is called first record, second record, third record, fourth record, fifth record. Like that I am having. Are you following me? This part, these are considered what? List in list. While I am converting it to PD dot what? Data frame of list object I am taking. Columns is equal to, I need to give what? SID, name, city. You know, now this is called, we are giving what? Columns. And when I print it, group name printed, and then first, last, nth, size, everything is printed. Let me just go for one more search. One more search, I will go for it. Group by list, I will just look into this. Yeah, this is exactly what we have. Are you following me? This data I want to take up. You go to your place. Now I'm going to enter into the another thing. Second example I'm talking about it. Try to paste it here. What is happening now? What is happening here? First list, second list, third list, all the things are available. Are you able to follow? Now print the data, print of what? LST, print of LST, the total data printed. Now, Sumit, can we make empty data frames, sir? You write imposition, my dear student. So we are in BTech fourth year studying. He is asking LKG question. Already created or not? Data frame object. Empty attribute also I said. Empty returns true when it is data frame size is 0. Returns false in the case of non-empty. Very long back I created. So people will ask, whenever they ask the doubt, they will ask. PD dot data frame of what? LST. LST. Print of what, DF. So it is going to print. Columns are not there, right? So I need to give what? Columns is equal to, what are the columns, students? CID. Next what? Name. Next up. Good. Age. Next is called what? City. Next city. And next is what? Experience. EXPR. EXPR. Now I'm going to get this data. Are you following this? This is a list of list. List of list. You can take dictionary mechanism also. You have done it. Now I want to go for, as I already said to you, directly I will write it. DF dot. Come on, first. Group by of what? City. Group by of what? City. Group by of city. Yes. Group by of city. Now I will print for group name, comma what? Group info. Info. In where? In this place. Info. Second example I am talking. Actually, I can leave that. What is that now I am printing? So city name. What is that city name printed? Dot format of what? GN. And next what, group info. I will print there. Print of what? Come on. G info. It is printed. It is just printed. I'll just write it here. Some small line I want to give for separation of the group details. So try to run this now, as you are already aware of it. Delhi group, Mumbai group, and then Sydney group. Now I will go for getting group wise information. I got it. Get what records? First, get the first records of what group? Each group. Already I done. For your exercise, I'm just taking care about it. Instead of make you to work, I'm just writing it. Come on, next what? Dot what? Got what? First off. I want the first name of what? Names of each persons. That's all. Of what? Name. I want to get first name of what? First names of what? Names of first records of what? Each group. So these are the Delhi first person, Mumbai first person, these are the Sydney first person. Are you getting it? Next, if I want name and age if you want, I can write it called what? Age. That I have to write it, in this place. Name and age is coming. Each person age is coming. Are you following this? Names and what? Ages. Names and ages. Are you getting it? Next, like that I want to get it. Of what I can find? Find the size of what? Find the size of each group. Get the size of each group. So I am going to get it. Delhi group, Mumbai group, Sydney group. Sydney group. So today my concept to tell you here is which function? AGG function. Moreover, students, I want to find out here one more small point. I want to go for it. In this place, city is coming. Here I am writing. Get the like this I am writing. As I just now said to you, some discussion is made on the basis of age. Mean I want to find. Mean. How do I get it now? City. Get the mean of what? Age of each group. How do you find out? City. What should I write now? Come on. Age. I am writing age dot what? Mean of. Of course, it is going to give you not like this. Age, city of will give you what? City wise. Under that, 1 minute more, I will apply our logic. What I want to get it? Ages I want to get it. For example, this will give you what? Dot. This city is coming. This is going to give you age. We found what previously? First of name. And next is called what? I will just find out age. It is going to give you this data. In city is not the case here. I will write here called what? Age. And I am writing dot what function I am writing? Mean I am trying to write. So mean I am trying to write. This will give you error. So because we are trying to get it, the error is coming here. Very big error, which you cannot see this error at all. So could not convert show up to numeric. So what we applied there, you just apply C. Here in this case, what a big error. So far we did not see that error. Cancel that. So here, try to remove. Get the mean of that. Look at our syntax once. Go to the syntax. So here I will apply what? Ct.size. Up to here we got it now. Next step. Coming to data frame group by. Which function I am applying? AGC method. How you can apply city only? In the city, we are supposed to apply what? Aggregation. We committed a mistake in the syntax. City group only. In that, I'm aggregating age with mean, experience with what? Sum. This I want to get it. Get the mean, age column values in each group, and sum of experience of all the groups. So let us take this part and try to print it. Get it into this place. Here I will write it. GF dot group by city. So city I gave it as what? Capital. Capital I gave. Remembering now? City is here. Now I am going to say city here. Age, I will write here age. Of what I want to find? Mean. And next is called what? Experience. Experience. I am going to EXPR of what? Sum. Now that you try to print it, what it is going to give you? Delhi group, on and average age is what? Come on, 42. If you go to Delhi group, if you take on and average age, if you count, sum of all these things you count it. Sum of all these things you type, by 4 you do it. Experience you count it. The total experience is coming. By 4 you take it. Average experience will come or not? Average experience. That is, I am just writing here what? Sum, just to apply the function. If you want to apply what? Mean of that experience, you can get it. Average experience of Delhi group. Here also I will write what? Mean I can apply. So just try to print it. What is the Delhi experience average? 14. What is the Mumbai? 14.33. Sydney, what is that now? Like this. Are able to get it? Here I got it. Total experience is a summing, adding. Here it is finding what? Mean of it. Are you following? So how we need to find? Group it. In that group, take what? Age, apply the mean. Experience, apply the mean if you want. And you can apply what also? Sum also you can apply. I think, are you following? So this sum function, mean function, etc. you are applying only on numerical columns, but not on string columns, but not on ID column or something else. And there is no meaning of finding ID related mean, mode, and etc. Are you following? Next, if you go to the further, if we get the size sum of mean values, in another way I want. In the city, you applied earlier age, but you need to write immediately what? Age is aggregation is required. Size I want to find, size of this age and sum of these ages, and next what? Mean of these ages. I just want to take this part also. This part also I want to take up. So on the same data, so age, capital I will take, and here size is a function name, sum is a function name, mean is a function name, and try to come on, city also capital, and try to work out with this. So what is that now? Size 4 and sum of what? Age, sum of the ages, and mean of that age is like this. And Mumbai 130, and average, and Sydney 126, on and average life of each person. We just mentioned it. Are you applying? There's a no doubt in that. Typical syntaxes. But if you go on practicing it, you'll get perfection. Are you following? So like that, if you go for it, if you want, you can apply one more small thing also here. I can go for what? Comma. What I am writing? Median. Now I am writing what? STD. STD also I am just writing. What is happening? Median is coming. STD is coming. You know how to take the median, center element of each group. Standard deviation, you know everything. Right. So if you want, you can go for writing one more also. I can write, we'll check it out, variance. If variance is there or not. Next we'll write what also? Mode also we'll try to write it. So something is giving error. So mode is not there, it is saying. Mode is not there, it is saying. So yeah, go to this place and try to apply this. So we are going to get what? Variance. Variance is not, standard deviation is not, but square root of the variance only. You already know that. So instead of writing this first, standard deviation, I will write here. So the deviation can be expressed in the form of what? Either variance, or you can apply in the form of square root of variance is called standard deviation. Are you able to follow? On group by, what things you can apply? Size function, sum function, mean function, median function, and like this you can apply. Are you able to follow, students? Right. This is comes under which concept? Group by concept. Group by concept. Most useful concept. Online students, your window I did not see. So is it clear for everybody? Right. So now I will go for, can we, somebody, Sandeep is asking, can we do grouping by age? Teenagers, middle ages, old ages. 100% you can do. Even group by not necessary. Teenagers age you need to write programmatically. What is the condition you will apply? If what is the teenage slots? Teenage slots are what? Between, what you done in your teenage? Tell me. Between 15 to 13, మీకు తెలుసునా నాకు తెలియదు చెప్పండి ఊరికి. 13 to 19, 19. So you already crossed, okay. Now you are, this is the one. This is the one, 13 to 19. You need to write the condition. D of, look at Sandeep. T of, D of, come tell me. Your age, I need to take what? Teenage, young age, old age, like that, middle age, like that. If your column name is teenage, is what? Greater than or equal to 13. 13, bitwise what operator? And operator. Teenage is what? Less than or equal to 19. So you will get those people with what? Boolean value will come or not? That I will say. D of dot what? LOC of. You will get the name of the people or not? There, if you want, you can get name you want, age you want, you can get all this. This already we did now? Already we did. So Sandeep, I hope, my dear students, you got it. I hope so. Right. Understand. So shall we go for next? Can you open your notes? Open the notes now. First case I am going to give you. So after a long time, you are opening your notes. Don't open English notes or some Sanskrit notes. Open the Python notes only. So I will take it. First one, I'm giving a small data set for you. Small data set I'm going to give you. Come to our class, pandas. And if you don't do these examples, what I'm giving, If the same case study is coming in interview point of view, that time you will feel difficulty. So I'm going to take it what? Citizen. I will take first this data. You don't write this. To write this entire thing, it will take 24 hours. This I will send it to you in the Google Drive. You write down case study one. Case study one. Next line? Data set is equal to. Data set is equal to. Data set is equal to citizen.csv. Citizen.csv. That I will give you. This I will send you in the Google Drive. In the bracket, download from Google Drive. No, just if you write, it is good. For everything, it is good. Download from Google Drive. Some students not writing because we don't download now. Why to write unnecessary like that? Those who are doing the case study, I'm saying to you, download. Now, questions, analysis questions. You write down, analyze the following questions. Analyze the following questions. Analyze the following questions. Mohan is asking, Telugu is asking, Google Play Store program eppudu cheptaru sir? I'm beginning, I only started that. If I don't tell how it is, I want to show my expertism in that. YouTube applications also I want to tell you, but time sufficient or not, I don't. Weather forecasting example also I want to tell you. Weather forecasting, cloudiya, sunniya, partially cloudina, with a raining symbol and all. These are all I have to take almost to the data science, KNN algorithms, decision making, or random forest algorithms, so many things. Who is this? What is this? Okay, ma. Right. Sorry, written citizen.py. Analysis question. First question. Be careful. Find the name of the people. Find the name of the people. Find the name of the people. Find the name of the people which are present in citizen file. First thing, find the name of the people who are present in citizen file. In the bracket, this, see, the question will come in any of the format of the interviewer. Find all the names of the citizens, like that it will come. In the bracket, you write down another way. Find all the names of the citizens. Find the names of all the citizens. Find the names of all the citizens. First question, how do you write it? Make already formula form avali. My formula sheet is there, na? How to get the data, accessing the data. So many examples I said. Based on row, not possible. Citizens means what? Name, only columns. CNAME column. So you can get it based on what? A column name. With a DF of what? CNAME. So that all the CNAMEs will come. Right? You can write it what? ILOC also you can use. LOC also you can use. With indexing you can do. With a slicing you can do. With a step you can do. So many ways. What are all the possible ways are there? Do it. Okay, now next. Second question. Get first 5 people's names. Get the first 5 people's names. Get the first 5 people's names. What function? Very good. Good. Hello, strike avale. Immediately you need to get names. Get 5 people's names means head of you will write, okay, all the data, but I don't want all the data. What I want? Names. Df dot head of square brackets names. Names kaadu, square brackets. Square brackets. If you write names, you will get 24 errors. Names. Names plus city means again one more square. List in list you need to write. Right? Next. Find all the people's names. 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 People's names of bottom 5. Of bottom 5. Bottom 5. Tail off. Tail off. Right? Tail off. If you want names, names you can write. Names plus city, names and city. Next. Next. Another question. I'll give many questions of simple English I will use and I will give you. Later I will give you in short sentence, more meaning is there in that. Write down. Find names, city, find name, city, and their expertism, and their expertism, and their expertism. So I have in my question, expertism is there. Expertism related column is what? Expert. So how do you know that it is a column? Is there a D of dot columns? You list C once for your testing purpose. Oh, expert is there. In that you watch the data. Python expertism, Java expertism, like that. I want to find what? Name of the people, city of the people, and their expertism of the citizens. Of the citizens, right on. Of citizens. Of citizens. That means all the people's name, city, expertism I want to. Next. Find the names of the people. Find the names of the people. Find the names of the people who are living in tears. Who are living in tears. Who are living in tears. Living means what it represents. Which column will represent? City. City. Find the names of the people who are living in where? City. City. City column represents. What is the city condition there? TS. How do you write it? df of city double equal to TS. You'll get Boolean array. Pass the Boolean array to whom? LOC. LOC. What you will get it? All the people. I want what? Names. I will write of name. Easy. Next. Write down. Find names and ages of the people. Find the names and ages of the people. Find the names and ages of the people who are living in. Find the names and ages of the people who are living in. Either in AP, or in TS, or in TS. What is that? Condition. Multiple conditions are there. Which operator? ARA, bitwise ARA. Bitwise R and no. Either R means what? You have to apply. Next. Find the name of the city. Find the name of the city. Find the name of the city where highest Python experts are working. Find the name of the city. Find the name of the city where highest maximum. Highest means what? Maximum. Python experts are working. Python experts are working. For example, you see, it's a very good analysis. Python TS, Python AP, Java Mumbai, Python AP, TS Python. That means I want to get both of them. AP 2 people are there, TS 2 people are there, and rest of the cities are not containing Python people. I need to get it. So if you take one extra entry, TS1 Python is there, etc. I have to print only TS. So you have to find what? Maximum count in under expertism. Maximum count. That count I will compare with every city. That will give you what? The name. It's a very good analysis query. Next. Find the names of the people. Find the names of the people Find the names of the people whose name starts with whose name starts with R. 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 Are you following? Next. Next. Find the find the find the average age of TS people. Find the average age of TS people. Find the average age of TS people. TS. What concept you will apply? Group by. Group by. Group by. How do you write it? DF dot group by of city dot get group of TS dot mean. That's all. First get group of city. City based. Under the city, pick up what group? TS dot what? Mean. Or of you can write AGZ colon what? Mean. You can apply. Already syntax I will upload now. Understand, guys? Next. Next. Find the find the find the name and city. Find the name and city. Find the name and city who are living in the age of who are living at the age of who are living at the age of age range of you're at age range of 30 to 60 30 to 60 30 to 60. Are you able to follow? Next. One more. Last. Find different age group people in TS. Find the different age group people in TS. First I will apply what? TS. How do you write? DF dot city is equal to what? TS. What it returns? Boolean array. I will write what? DF dot LOC. With that what will come? TS data frame will come. TS data frame will come. Dot what? Group by of what? Age will come. In that I will apply what? Mean I will apply. It is very simple to get it. You apply all these things. This is called one more thing. Like that you can prepare. Find the highest number of people who are living in each city. Highest number of people. AP. Count only. Count you need to get it. Last one more you added. Find the city name. Find the city name where maximum people are living. Where highest number of people are living. Where highest number of people are living. Where highest number of people are living. Right. This is about what? A simple analysis queries are given. Like that, I will give you some case studies. Suppose we have our marks list is there or not? In that marks list, I want to find the name of the person who secured highest mathematics marks. Find the name of the person who is a topper in the entire state. Topper means what? Percentage format you take, total format you take it. I want to find out. Find the 5 toppers. Find the 5 least people. Like that, I will go on applying it. Okay, now? So we are coming to what? Exercise part of our data frame. When you go to any bigger company, they will give data set, they will give questionnaire. That you need to go for it. And in the resume, what you can creep it? Instead of taking only 3-4 columns, I'll go for what? Google frame. This you take it. This you take it. Here I'm having, somewhere else there is, go to this downloads once here. Here Google Play Store is there. There is so much of data is present here, students. So much of data. So much of data is available here. Around what I'm having, 10,000 things are there. I want to find out these people's information completely. You can prepare lot of questionnaires will come, maybe 100 questionnaires you can prepare, but maximum they will ask in companies how many? 5 to 6 they will ask. Maximum they will ask 20, 10 to 15 they will ask. Sometimes they will ask you around 25 also they will ask. On what they will ask? Like this. For example, you see app category rating. Find the name of the app which is having highest rating. You know how to find the highest rating. Find the number of people who has highest reviews. Find the name of the people who is having highest installs. Highest installs. But there is a plus symbol is there. Comma is there. This I will tell you separately in the class. Myself will solve it. Like sales for predictions. Sales predictions. Like planet predictions. Planet predictions. And if I introduce data science algorithms, now still it is dead easy for you. But I also will have boundary, right? Like TS boundary, Andhra Pradesh boundary. In one boundary, another boundary should not go. Crossing, no. Visa problems will come. So, coming to the point back, in further, I will tell you this case study for you. Now I am having one more kind of thing. I am having one more kind of thing with me. A lot of case studies are there when you are coming to this place. Once one topic is over, under that you need to do the project. That is called a data analytics project. These are. Under that, there is one more thing is available under the data frame. There is a employee data. This is employee data. First name, gender, start date, login, last login, salary, bonus, senior manager. There are a lot of things are there. Working in marketing, finance, something. Missing data is there. Missing data is there. So like that, I'm having how many people? This is the data I'm having. So 1001 people are there. That people's data I want to analyze. Who is the person drawing highest salary? Who is the person working in finance department? Like that. Any case study, let them give. You can just solve with left hand, left finger. That is only called project things. Understand? Like that. I am having some more things here. Some more things is there. Citizens, employees. Next is called one more things. Maybe I'll just keep it that kind of data sets. So those things still I'm having. NBS. This is called one more. Number, name, team, number, position, age, height, weight, college, salary. And this is called what? A teaching kind of divisions. People who are working in some university data, I took it. There are something like 458 faculties are there who are working in different timings, different subjects, different age group. So there is a person called what? Cheris John. He is teaching which subject or which subjects are taught by Cheris. Something like those kind of case studies also I will explain in the class. So see our Python journey, NumPy journey, Pandas journey. You just imagine once where you started your journey with and where you are going to ends with. Like that, we have to learn it. Any subject like that, you have to carry on. Understood? Fine. So in further, I will tell you this type of analysis. A large samples of data, crores of data. Take if government of government of India is giving a data analysis of all our citizens. You can categorize. What is that? AP state, Telangana state. You can just get it in a fraction of seconds by applying which function? Group by. Telangana population, AP population, you can apply what? Size. Easy now? Like that you can apply. This is when you go to any bigger companies, Amazon if you go, Flipkart if you go, and IIT students, NIT students are selecting with 60 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 70 lakhs, 1 crore, and don't think that they are going to have some extra like that. So they are learning subject by keeping more efforts and seek download any of the IIT Python curriculum and see our notes also once. Have the comparison. This is my advice, especially my class, especially compare. And Panda syllabus also, analytics, any foreign based university, analytics subjective download. Pandas is a complete topic. And you see that completely. What is our index is available? What is our index, which is already there in the Python? Pandas level, you go to Pandas level. In that, what is it? Index. Index of this. No. Index, you take it. Here I am taking. You just see this series under data frame. This only data frame is done. Summarizing the data, sum, aggregation, all those things. Statistical, mean, mode, etc. And how many things we did on this? Functional application, row-wise selection, element-wise selection and all. Indexing concept. Either you can go for row indexing or what? Column indexing. Iterating the rows, iter rows and iter tuples. This iter tuples also I'll tell you. Sorting, you have done it. Done it or not? Dot LOC, ILOC, use notations. How many notations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing data, cleaning and filling, replace none with a scalar value, and all these things done or not? Yes. Group by, splitting the data into groups, view the groups, iterating through groups, select a group, aggregation, transformations, filtration. Filtration is nothing but whatever group you want, you can get it. Right or not? So there is one more merging of, joining of, that is combining concept I said. One data frame combined with another data frame. That concept also I will introduce. And this is only headings are given, but inside the headings, what are there? Different type of varieties of syntaxes I explain. I hope you are following this. So next after that, I will introduce pandas with communication with a database. Database communication also I will get it. That is dead easy for you now. How do you do that? Fetch all. There is a function name called what? Fetch all. You know fetch all? Fetch all, fetch many, fetch one. Fetch all returns what? Cursor dot fetch all. Fetch all will give you records, correct or not? This records is called what? Tuples of records. I'll easily convert into what? df is equal to pd dot what? Data frame of what? Records. I will get it into data frame. This also I will show you in the class. Like that, visualization. Next we will start with visualization. I'll start. Visualization means what? Bar graph, histogram, box plots, all these things I'll tell you. Read CSV already over. Comparison with SQL also I'll tell you. Point to point. Not leaving one topic also. Right? This also. Bar graph I want. Suppose you are conducting one survey in elections. In elections. This is my pie chart. Pie chart will contain how many degrees? 360 degrees. Some look at. So this is called one party is getting. Suppose 51% one party is getting, and 49% out of that some X percentage one party getting, some Y percent one party is getting. How these partitions will be done? How these partitions? How to give the coloring of this partition? What is the coloring to be given? How this will be calculated? All the things I will tell you in the visualization concept. That is a matplotlib I am going to introduce. Right? Like that, there is a Seaborn, there is a Scikit, there is a Scikit, Scilon, Keros, NLTK. There are so many other modules also there that are part of data science level. And how simple these are? And other things also simple. Once you are going to learn point to point. Once we don't teach, it is a complicated to the student. And if you don't practice, what we can do? You have to practice it. And solve that case study and try to prepare that case study. All the things you type it in one place. Under that, you prepare the solutions also. Try to execute. Okay, now? Still, I will take a concatenation of what? Data frames I will take. And I will use what? How argument. It is going to be very, very easy. And all these things. If you look at the beginning onwards, it is very simple. Series, so data frame, etc. Only names are given. By saying these things, within 4 or 5 days, 6 days, it will be completed. But we do see each and every topic with a deep syntax. Okay, now? So tomorrow, I'll come up with one more concept in data frame. Don't miss the concept. So tomorrow also, one more case study I will show you. One more case study I will give dictate. The student marks report kind of thing. I prepare the case studies related questions and I will show you. That also you try to solve it. Okay, now? Followed by Google Play Store also. I will explain in the classroom. Okay, now? Thank you. All the best. Online students. Students in the online, any more doubts? Indusha.
Good morning, sir.
Indusha.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear me,
Good.
sir?
Yes, ma. Good morning. Tell me.
Sir, question number due to internet issue, I lost question number 4 in the case study, sir.
Even I did not remember ma, what question. I just spontaneously dictated.
Oh, okay, sir.
So I don't have any typed one.
Okay, sir.
Spontaneously dictated.
Okay, sir.
So nothing to worry. Tomorrow I will see that and I will tell to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Thank you, sir.
Right. Next, Shaurav. Shaurav.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, started the class of Django by Sir Mahesh. So
Mm,
while installing the Django app, I
mm.
got the error there is showing that Anaconda is already present in my system. That's why I'm unable to install the Django. So
Easy,
did I
na?
have to?
That is easy. Install Django project is easy, na?
Yes, sir, but while installing in command prompt, there is showing some error because of Anaconda. So I already told that particular error to Sir Mahesh here as well. So he's saying that I have to uninstall the Anaconda. Then only I'll install to Django.
Just because you follow his guidelines because he is teaching the subject now.
So is there any way that I'll also keep both the apps in my system?
What is the project name, ma? Actually, there is some stylish taste to teach that Django, my dear student. So if you are we getting any error when you are installing cx underscore Oracle like that? We are getting pip, all these things. Are we getting any error?
No, sir.
No, like that. Some style is required. Some properties are required to explain. Depends on the person, student. It's because if I interfere in that, it's a problem again. That's only the main problem.
Yes, totally understand, but I wanted to know the process, like if both the apps will work in good condition in my laptop, so it will be fine
Nothing
for me.
lab problem with the laptop. Nothing is there. So you can install it. Django not an issue. Tomorrow I will tell you. So somebody is waiting for me. Tomorrow I will tell you. Ma.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
right. Indusha, I just posted the questions, mom. Indusha, I posted the questions because Shinde sent that entire questions. I posted. Indusha, I hope you are there. Lakshmana Kumar,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. How are
How are
you,
you, sir?
Lakshmana Kumar? Your operation, how it is?
Oh, fine, sir. No, fine, sir. Just now,
Is it okay? Is it okay
it's
now?
okay. It's okay now, sir. So I will small walking now, sir. In home,
Okay. Okay.
in
Put your
with stick,
ah,
with stick.
okay. So
Uh,
tell me your doubt.
sir, and rest night నేను ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాశాను సార్ అది
Mm,
కొంచెం నాకు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది సార్ ఇది చూస్తారా సార్ అది
నేను
పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను
రేపు చూస్తానమ్మా. రేపు రెడీ పెట్టుకోనుండు. రేపు టుమారో విల్ సీ.
ఓకే సార్ అంటే ప్రజెంట్ రెడీగానే ఉంది పోస్ట్ చేయమని చేస్తాను సార్ నేను అది
రేపు చూస్తాలే.
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
రైట్ మా. Okay, students, take care. All the best. Don't miss the classes tomorrow. Very important session. Take care, guys.